Here's 10 random fun facts that you probably didn't know. Pineapples take about 2 years to grow. Despite their tropical abundance, each pineapple takes 18 to 24 months to fully mature. Butterflies can taste with their feet. Their taste sensors are located on their tarsi, the lower part of their legs. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. It takes 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only 225 days to orbit the Sun. The inventor of the microwave appliance only got $2 for it. Percy Spencer was paid a $2 bonus by Raytheon for his discovery. There's a town in Norway called Hell, and it freezes over every winter. So yes, hell really does freeze over. Octopuses can edit their own RNA, giving them the ability to adapt brain function without changing their DNA. The wood frog can survive being frozen solid. It essentially dies and thaws back to life in spring. Bananas glow blue under UV light due to the breakdown of chlorophyll as they ripen. You can smell rain before it falls. That scent is called petrichor and comes from oils and bacteria in the soil. There are more fake flamingos in the world than real ones, thanks to lawn decor and novelty items. Humans glow in the dark very faintly. We emit a tiny amount of bioluminescence, but it's 1,000 times too weak for eyes to detect.